Focusgoal.com మెయిన్ ఉద్దేశం కాలేజీలో చెప్పేదానికి ఇండస్ట్రీలో కావాల్సిన దానికి డిఫరెన్స్. దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ క్లియర్ గ్యాప్. అకాడమిక్స్ నేర్పుతారు కాలేజీలో, కానీ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఈజ్ చేంజింగ్ ఎవ్రీడే. వీ వాంట్ టు బ్రిడ్జ్ ద గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ కాలేజ్ అండ్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ. There are inspirational videos from game-changing CEOs like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Google founders, Jack Welch. See, all those inspirational videos are going to help all the people in Andhra Pradesh to do what they want to do. They can dream anything and they can strive for it and they can achieve it with the help of this. So it is a totally non-profit initiative from Innovate Apps. Innovate Apps is a product development company based out of Atlanta. We started our operations in Visakhapatnam a couple of months back. We are operating in Atlanta for several years. We develop products with the quality of Google, and we wanted to first do a non-profit product for all our educational community, especially the people in the engineering colleges. Because of whatever the limitations, we don't have very quality lecturers available in the engineering colleges. There are several hundred engineering colleges. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to get the best of the lectures that are developed by Stanford University, MIT, and other famous universities, Harvard University. And these lectures are going to supplement, are going to help our students. But all these lectures are created by the best professors. They very clearly explain the things in the simplest possible way with practical examples. So when somebody wants to learn physics, even for the MSET, even for the college, even for the high school, there is a course available. Somebody wants to learn basic sciences, mathematics, it is available. Chemistry, it is available. Somebody wants to get inspiration. They have 15 minutes time. They wanted to see how this Google is created. There is a documentary. How Steve Jobs created 400 billion Apple. There is a nice inspiring story available. So all these things, people can make use of it and try to do their best. They can dream whatever and try to achieve. Dream, strive, achieve is the motto. We wanted to help the Indian community and all our friends, because I also got inspired with a similar incident, as I just mentioned in the discussion. See, I read an article from Inadu, Sunday paper, on the road ahead, Bill Gates story. 4-page Telugu article inspired me. That had changed my life. In 15 years, I created these organizations and trying to do good. So whatever the hard work I did, but I wanted to share all that to all our friends and help them and try to bring quality in the engineering education, revolutionize engineering education in Andhra Pradesh and then India. So we are no different from American students. They have the best of the courses, best of the professors. Here, not many good professors are available because of whatever the priorities, and so there is lot of gap. At least this will bridge the gap. All the engineering students, all the management students in Andhra Pradesh can make use of this, get inspired and do whatever they want. So this is our service to the society from Innovate Apps. ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం గీతం యూనివర్సిటీలో చేస్తాం, బట్ ఇది అందరూ ఉపయోగించుకుంటారు. ఇండియా అసలు వరల్డ్లోనే ఇటువంటి ఇనిషియేటివ్ లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ.
సార్, ఇది స్టైట్ రాష్ట్రంలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ విద్యకి కొంచెం అదనంగా ఇది స్టూడెంట్స్ కి అడిషనల్ నాలెడ్జ్ కోసం
మన రాష్ట్రంలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్వాలిటీ చాలా ఘోరంగా ఉంది, టు బి ఫ్రాంక్ విత్. Because the infrastructure is available, but the quality of education is not happening because of whatever the reasons. So, మనం MIT నుంచి, స్టాన్ఫర్డ్ నుంచి లేటెస్ట్ కోర్సెస్ వాళ్ళు ఏం టీచ్ చేస్తున్నారో అది వింటే it is going to put pressure on the professors and teachers to do their best, because students are going to listen to this course and come to the class and ask questions. So this will revolutionize our engineering education in Andhra Pradesh to start with. See,
స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా యాక్సెస్ అవ్వచ్చండి?
ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు.
ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్.
See, focusgoal.com దానికి వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, అక్కడ సైన్ అప్ దగ్గర సైన్ అప్ చేసి జస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, లాస్ట్ నేమ్, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్. సో సింపుల్ టు రిజిస్టర్. వన్స్ రిజిస్టర్డ్, then use your email ID and the password, just log in. There is no other formality. The whole idea is to just make it so easy and go to any category. The first category is, brilliant innovators. You want to get inspiration from Bill Gates, you want to get inspiration from Steve Jobs, because I said earlier, I got inspiration from a Telugu magazine story of Bill Gates just by reading those 4 pages. Now you can really listen from Bill Gates, how he achieved things, how he achieved Steve Jobs, all this, right? How Google is created. See, 10 years back, Google is a small company, right? It is a startup. Now it is $300 billion company. Apple is a startup. It is a $400 billion company. How these things are created? If somebody looks into it, it will give the clear path, then one can decide. If somebody decides and wants to do something, nobody can stop it. That is what happened in my case, 15 years back, just by reading that Telugu story.
ఇన్ని వీడియోలు ఇచ్చారు సార్ దీంట్లో?
ఈ focusgoal.com లో 3000 videos are there. 100 plus courses from these famous universities, Stanford University, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is the best engineering institute in the world, and Harvard University. Basically, all the management related things are there. These are the 3 famous universities. They are sharing the knowledge, but our people are not aware of how to use, where those things are available and how to use it. What we are trying to do is, trying to connect the dots between the. See, if you go to a course, say Introduction to Computer Science and Programming, there is a course that is the fundamental course in computer science. But even after completing MTech here, our students are not having that knowledge. But that is taught in BTech second year there. So there is a 3 months course, 24 lectures available. 2 professors are going to teach. They teach Python programming. Python is used in Google. Nobody knows here. There is lot of gap. But if once that is listened and used, anybody can become. See, I am a Telugu medium student, but I am doing all this. Right? Now, our people are smart, but what is required is the guidance.
ఇంజనీరింగ్ MBA స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు?
ఇంజనీరింగ్ MBA, నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, ఆల్ బేసిక్ హై స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఫిజిక్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే మనం థియరిటికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. అక్కడ MIT ప్రొఫెసర్ హై స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎంత క్లియర్గా ఫిజిక్స్ చెప్తారంటే, ఐ నెవర్ లర్న్ ఫిజిక్స్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ వే. ఈవెన్ ఇన్ మై కరెంట్ రోల్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, I just visit these fundamental courses also. You have physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. See, this is extremely useful for our intermediate education and even for our high school students. See, they can see how physics is taught by the best professor in the world, and they can use that as an additional material. Inspirational videos and engineering courses, computer science courses, management courses, and all these basic sciences, physics, chemistry, maths, all these courses are available. Simple registration in a minute and use it. And once people started using it, they will be loving it and they will gain the knowledge. And see, it is going to pressurize the professors also. Listen to that 3 times and explain the students. The best way of education is watch the video first and come to the class and discuss. Here what is happening, we are just talking one way. And some people are listening, they are not understanding. See, but all these things are going to change. This is a starting point to revolutionize education in India. That is what we wanted to do to the society. Thank you.